Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily change your Spotify country. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be in Spotify, go to the right top corner to the menu and click account. Right when you're going to click account, you're going to be in a new tab here, and then you're going to see country or region here, and you want to click edit profile, and right here you can edit right here. So you come here and change the country and region. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down on comments and you can change the country here. If you can change it, maybe you're in a premium plan or you have it connected to your Facebook or Gmail account, therefore you can change it. You need to change first Facebook account or Gmail and then it will automatically change. So thank you, see ya and goodbye.